Morning and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Smart School City Campus online maths class for grade 7, textbook page number 68, exercise 5, the chapter exponents, question 6. On page number 68 you can see the exercise 5. Question number 6, simplify and express the result in power notation. Now the question number 1 is 4 over 5 power 5 multiplied with 3 over 5 power 3. You can see the question here. Now you have the value 4 and denominator 5. 4 over 5, you can write this as 5 plus 3. The answer is 8. Now you have 5 over 4 with the power of 8. Now the question number 2, 3 over 4 power 6 divided by 3 over 4 power 4. Now you have the sign of divide, so you will write the answers like 3 over 4, then the power will be minus or subtract, the answer will be power 2. 3 over 4 power 2. Now look at here, part 1 and part 2 I have solved. Now part 3 and part 4 you have to solve on your neat copy, and you will also write these 4 questions on your neat copies. Now on other page number 69, question number 7, simplify the following. Now part 1 is 2 power 3 multiplied by 2 power 5 divided by 2 power 8. Now 2 power 3 and 2 power 5 will be multiplied together, then it will become 2 power 8 divided by 2 power 8. When you will divide 2 power 8 with the 2 power 8, the answer will be 1. Now the question number 7 part 2, 1 over 3 power 5 divided by 1 over 3 power 4 divided by 1 over 3. When you will solve the brackets, divide is here, so it means it will be subtract 4 subtract 5, the answer will be 1. 1 over 3 power 1 divided by 1 over 3. 1 over 3 have the power of 1, so it will not written in the shape of power, so 1 over 3 divided by 1 over 3 is equal to 1. That is the part 2. Now you have the part 3 from the same question number 7. You can see that minus 3 over 4 have the power 4, minus 3 over 4 have the power 2. When you will multiply them, then the answer will be 3 over 4, 4 plus 2, because there is the symbol of multiply, so it will be add. The power have 6. And the symbol will become in positive. Why? Because we have the even numbers in the power. When we have the even numbers in the power, so the minus sign will be changed in positive. 3 over 4 have the power 6. Now this divide is here. Now you have this 3 over 4 multiplied 2 and 3. 2 3s are 6. After dividing this both value, the answer will be 1. That is the part 3. Now on page number 68, question number 6 with the 4 parts. On page number 69, question number 7, these 3 parts will be solved on your neat copies.